Smoky, can you pick me up? I'm south side of that Highway 2 now, far left lane.
Smoky 3, we've got it.
You got him?
Upper, got him. We'll follow him.
9753, did you light him up?
No, he came on right behind me at Marine View Drive.
Okay.
Southbound from milepost 193. And he's moving over into the right lanes now. Speed check 90, and he used the right shoulder to pass.
Go ahead, location once more.
We're going to be coming up on milepost 192 here shortly. Left lane now.
Vehicle south 5, 192, east 90, passing on the right shoulder, 1401.
97 Everett, get a couple units northbound at 188 so we can go to Everett if he exits.
338.
644, I'll head there from the parking ride.
And it looks like he's kind of slowed it down now. He's getting stuck in some traffic just north of 192. He's moving back into the right lanes.
53, I'm right next to it here.
All right, if you want to keep your distance from it, that way he doesn't try to start running again. If we can get him when he stops, then that would be better.
146, that is the car.
97 Everett, to the units, if this runner gets stopped, spikes are approved, just be very careful and tactical in its application. We'll play it by ear.
338.
Southbound 191, using all lanes to pass, kicking it up again.
97 advice, approved, parking record.
Hold on the blue car, far left, should be now.
146 is behind the blue one.
Pull out.
784, stay behind me.
784. Where you at?
Myself and 206 are at the 188 turn.
We'll just keep coming to you guys at this point. Looks like he's going to exit actually.
97.
Alright, we're sticking with him on the exit here.
Stop it. Everett, he's eluding again. We're exiting to 526 eastbound.
And he's using the shoulder to pass, high rate.
He is headed to 526 eastbound.
East or west?
It's westbound, milepost 4 now. We got near miss onto the shoulder. Continuing westbound, back onto the shoulder. Going under, looks like, stand by, 526 east.
Everett, team, advise Muxteel, please.
531404.
97 Everett, when you advise them, we don't want them lighting them up. We want to try and get this guy stopped. So let's not have anybody light him up anymore and let Smokey follow.
Just crossed over 5th Avenue, still at a high rate, westbound.
Everett 97, advise of PC.
Once more?
Vehicle is going to be exiting here. Stand by for a location onto Seaway Boulevard.
(146) Everett, PC is going to be speed and eluding.
146, 14-0.
Everett, verify. We do not want them stopping the vehicle.
Right, 14-0.
Looks like he's exiting off of Seaway Boulevard, and that's going to turn into, stand by, looks like it might be going into the airport terminal area. Boeing plan.
Calm 1870, Seattle in service.
Seaway Boulevard, 14-0.
2060, I'm currently west on 526, about to take Seaway.
Did he go north or south on Seaway?
He's going to be stopped at an intersection at Boeing Access Road. He's going to be making a left turn into the parking lot area, it looks like.
Patrol.
Vehicle stopped at
Intent
Boeing
to contact. Vehicle took off from Duval PD in a silver Mercedes C-Class, Boy Union Boy 4841, last seen eastbound on Big
604,
Rock
which
Road
direction
from
on Seaway was it?
2602.
northbound.
PC for DV second and vehicle theft. Suspect class of Amiri.
All right, the units need to exit. He's in the Boeing Access Road parking lot. Looks like he might be trying to find a place to stop.
Yeah.
319.
Vehicle Boeing Access Road parking lot, 14-0.
091144
Plant
1407.
75th and Seaway.
146, same traffic.
You guys need to take the first exit after you got onto Seaway.
Right, we're at the red light at 75th.
6 exiting now.
Make a left turn at that stoplight, then go to your next intersection, make another left.
All right, it's going to be, looks like a possibly black male wearing a khaki pants and a maroon shirt. He's back behind the vehicle. Looks like he might be taking the plates off, and he's got a backpack on.
Black male, khaki pants, maroon shirt with backpack, possibly taking off the plates, 14-0.
And he's got white shoes on. He's walking back to the west through the parking lot towards the Boeing Access Road.
Do you see any of our patrol cars by him?
Yes, I have eyes on you. You guys are to the north about a half a mile. You need to go back to the south. If you guys come out of that parking lot that you're in, where you guys entered, make a right turn, go to the next intersection, and then make a left.
It looks like he might be getting on the Sky Bridge to go across to the south, to the west side of the Boeing Access Road.
Vehicle possibly going on the Sky Bridge to go to the west side of the parking lot, 14-0.
And just for information, I've lost him in the Sky Bridge at the time being. I'm waiting on both exits to see which way he comes out.
Okay, if the units, they just got back on southbound on Seaway. If you guys could try and make a U-turn to exit, at that exit to your left now, and then go back underneath the bridge, if able. That'll take you to that parking lot that he's in.
105 Everett, Ship County has a dog available.
105, 14-09.
Okay, follow that exit to the stoplight and then go to the Sky Bridge after the intersection.
All right, it looks like he's already gotten across the Sky Bridge, and he's closer to the big buildings on the west side, walking across a crosswalk. Looks like he's heading into the Boeing plant, possibly.
Okay, continue straight through that stoplight. Go to the second Sky Bridge, or it'll be the first Sky Bridge to you, and he's on the right shoulder.
Subject on the right shoulder, 14-10.
He just continued on that crosswalk, and I lost view of him. Looked like he was walking into the actual Boeing building.
Are we under the sky bridge now?
Correct. It'll be to your right. That crosswalk to your guys' right is where he went into the building.
Yeah, there's a fence here, so we got to go in. Everett, get young.
971410.
We're going to work on finding access here.
Smokey, where do you park his car at?
Stand by. I'll get you back to the car. You need to go into that parking lot that's to your left if you're on that road by the Sky Bridge.
Okay, when you guys first came into that, the parking lot area, that first intersection where you guys went straight, you guys have to make a right turn into that parking lot at that intersection.
Stand on 998 status. Nine 1413.
9-7, Everett. I'm working on getting access with an employee. We're at the southwest corner of the big building.
Seattle 711 status.
97 at the southwest corner of the building, 1411.
All these vehicles are registered by their plate and their owner with Boeing, so they should be able to pull his name and know where he works.
Okay, if you guys are making a right turn, go down past the crosswalk and make a right turn. If that's you, make a right turn right there.
Mark unit, make a right turn.
Six 4-4 to Smokey, are you talking to me right now? Making a right turn.
Affirm. You're going to go up, make your first right up here. All right, go down that parking aisle. You're going to have to go to the very end of it. Or if you can get through in an open spot coming up here on your right, just make a right turn. Make a right there if you can get through there. And then make another left, and then the Camaro will be on your left.
644, I'm with it.
And just verify he was messing around with the back license plate too when before he took off running to the Sky Bridge.
206, I'm also with the vehicle.
644-206 with the vehicle, 1427.
The plate's still on it.
7146. What's this person's name?
Everett, you're going to have to answer him. I haven't ran him.
Last of Samuel, first of Desmond, 8 Alexander, 230311.
Go. You got to speak up a little bit, Everett. What was it?
Lost of Samuel's, first of Deshaun, middle Alexander.
Receive 97.
97.
97, 1414.
Everett Patrol, patch to Snow Ops 11 is active, and K9 in route.
97, Everett. We don't need that. Take the patch down. You can cancel K9.
Nine 1448.
Smokey 3 Everett. Just to verify you got the description we gave you in the log.
Description of that mail.
Affirm.
Okay, 3.
Great.
Nine 7, Smoky 3.
Go ahead, 97.
What part of the facility did he enter?
So that sky bridge goes directly across from the parking lot over to the actual Boeing building, and then if you get off those stairs, walk a little bit to the south, there's a crosswalk, and he went right into the building through, it must be like an employee entrance where that crosswalk is.
Okay, just to verify, he did enter the structure.
That's correct. Black male, khaki pants, white shoes, wearing a backpack, and looked like either a maroon or black jacket on.
9-7. You can cancel the phone number. They're going to have security contact us here, then we'll make entry.
97-1460.
9-7 Everett, can you spell the first name?
David, Adam, Sam, Adam, Nora.
Nine seven.
97-1460.
One 0597 Carpool.
97 Everett.
97.
Do you have the subject's full middle name?
Alexander.
And to verify his first and last again, we're working with Boeing Security.
Last of Samuel, first of Diston, middle Alexander.
97. What's his birthday?
Panel pass patrols back in disabled, east 18, mile 22. Lanes 1 and 2, United moving, box truck, DOT construction correcting, attempting to clear the vehicle. 6-0-1421.
Everett.
97.
Can you run the subject and send a return with the DOL photo to the units here?
97-1422.
Five for Everett, clear.
53-1423. Everett North Patrol, blocking disabled, north 5 to 172nd. Gold Hyundai Santa Fe, lane 1.
338 round, north 5203.
338, route 1424.
97 Smoky 3. Do you have the exact time that the last saw the subject enter the facility?
It would have been right when I gave radio that first update for the description.
Everett, what's the timestamp on that?
1410.
Thank you.
97 1426.
Five three Smoky. Do you have any video of this?
Affirm. We've got a full recording.
Thank you, sir. Great work. Appreciate it.
Yep, we'll stay overhead until you guys don't need us anymore.
Verify we got somebody with the car.
Right, there's 3 units here, including me.
All right, Smokey, you're clear. Thank you. A little unexpected, but it worked.
Smoky 3, no problem. We'll stay around and see if we can find that that other vehicle that we're up here for, and we'll let you know.
Thank you.